What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about can you see your reviews on Vrbo, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you're a host, basically, or if you are a guest. So if you are a guest, basically, if you are interested in the reviews the owner of that property gave to you, you can actually see them in the email, because Vrbo will probably send you a review to your basically stayings at specific place. If you're a homeowner, basically only reviews you can see as a homeowner are the ones you gave to the guests. So basically the review section lets you view any reviews you have received from a host and any reviews you've left. You can also see your star rating and any badges you earned. At this time, the ability to view your traveler's rating from hosts on your One-Key Traveler account is not enabled, and Vrbo is going through that specifics. So if you're an owner, you do not have you cannot see actually the reviews for your property. There is not button, but you can actually find your property. Let's say this one. As you can see, there are three reviews and 5 stars. So when you click, let's say this is a property you rented and you find it and you want to see the reviews, basically you can just click on these reviews over here, and basically you can view the reviews for your own property. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to view your reviews on Vrbo, both as a guest and as a host. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.